guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So it has been quite a while since I have taken this car out. It has been about 5 or 6 weeks. The weather's just starting to turn a little bit. At least it's pretty warm today. It's in the 70s, which is pretty crazy for February in New Jersey. So I thought it was only right to take the STI out since it's incredibly clean and I haven't driven it in a while. And I figured I would just take you guys along, just do a little simple kind of POV driving in the car video. You guys seem to like those. And it's always kind of fun to share my experience. One major thing that I always miss on other automotive YouTube channels is obviously we see a lot of people doing modifications, doing installs and all that, but we never see people actually drive the cars. And if we do, it's for a very short stint. So I always like to make time to make sure to make some videos on actually driving the cars, because that is what it's all about. Driving these cars and having fun with them and kind of sharing that experience is always important to me. So just figured I would take you guys along. The car is looking fantastic. Obviously it's still in a very, very stock-like state on the exterior, but it is still an absolute blast to drive. This car is a lot of fun. And yes, I know a lot of you are going to be asking, it is still for sale. It is still on the for sale block, if you will. So I'm just kind of waiting for anybody to come along and pick it up. But every single time I drive it, I always have second thoughts, because this car is just an absolute blast to drive. A lot of fun, makes a lot of great noises, and it looks fantastic. This is actually the first time I've seen the STI outside with the new old tails, my old taillights, the modified OEM taillights that I put on the car. Ever since I put them on, I haven't had a chance to actually see them outside on the car, and they look fantastic. Really do enjoy the darker look. Looks very, very OEM like, and it just fits the car very, very well. And yeah, the car is looking great, having a lot of fun, just kind of cruising around. But I figure I would hop out, because one of the things I always do when I am driving is getting out of the car, just taking a look at it and appreciating it, and getting some pictures and stuff like that. So let's hop back in the car, do some more driving, have some more fun, and then we can head back to the garage. I got a few things coming in for the truck, and I believe one of the packages came in today, so I'll kind of show you guys that, and we'll wrap everything up in the garage. So let's head back in the car and have some fun. guys, so we are back in the garage. I hope you enjoyed that little driving video. It's always so hard to make these kinds of videos just because I'm always so focused and just enjoying the drive that half the time I don't get all the clips that I want to get. There was an amazing pull I did getting onto the highway that I later found out that it didn't record. There's so much going on that you know, it's kind of hard to focus and make sure I'm getting the right clips and everything, but you know, there was a moment when I was just enjoying the drive so much that I just put the camera down and I was like, you know what, stop worrying about getting the content and just enjoy the drive. Because one of the reasons why I really want to start driving this car a little bit more now that winter is kind of towards the end of it, we're going to start getting some warmer weather soon, is because every single time I drive this car, it puts a huge smile on my face, even despite you know, the current stage of it where it's more stock looking than it ever has been. But the performance and everything, as you guys know, is exactly the same. And every single time I drive this thing, it just, it makes me question things a lot just because it's such a fun car. And it really does surprise me of how quick it is and how well put together everything is. It's such a solid car that every time I do drive it, it really, again, it makes me question a lot of things. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun. It was a beautiful day. Ended up being like 75 out, which was pretty amazing. I'm in shorts and short sleeves, and it's nice to feel some warm weather after this winter. But I wanted to wrap this video up in the garage because, as you can see right over here, I don't know if you can really tell, but these are actually new headlights for my truck. Now, you guys know I'm actually running these exact same ones, the Morimoto XBs, but I really wanted the amber DRLs. So if you guys know my truck, it has the white DRLs right now. But I purchased those not realizing that they had an amber version. So what I ended up doing was buying a brand new set, but in the amber DRL version. So it's gonna look way more badass, way more cool looking in my eyes. I'm just a big fan of amber DRLs. Our Kia Telluride has the really nice amber DRLs that I love so much. And obviously on the Raptors, they have the nice orange or amber DRL as well. Not that I'm trying to look like a Raptor at all. I don't have any intentions of doing that, but I just think it looks way better than the white. Plus, with the kind of theme that I have with the truck, it being all blacked out, I think the amber DRLs are going to look awesome. So I'm going to be doing a video on this. I was going to install these tonight, but I'm absolutely beat. It was a really long day. I've been out of the house for about 15 hours, and I finally got some time to kind of tinker around in the garage and kind of chill out for a little bit. So I'm going to take the little free time that I do have tonight and kind of just hang out in the garage and chill, as opposed to forcing myself to get these headlights on and make some more videos and everything. So I'll probably get these knocked out over the weekend. So next week there's gonna be a couple truck videos. I have actually a lot of things coming in for the truck. A lot of updated lighting stuff. I'm actually doing kind of a refresh of the LED lighting on the truck. So it should be pretty cool. I'm adding some auxiliary lights and stuff. So should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, the STI is an absolute blast. I had a lot of fun driving that today. And again, I think it was just the weather as well that really helped out. I had the windows down and everything. So that's going to wrap up this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all about the STI, please leave them in the comments below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.